how to print an eBay return shipping label. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to do so, we can just go over and follow the steps and we should be able to print it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can basically sign in into our eBay account first and go to my eBay option in the top right corner and select purchase history from the menu that pops up. Once we are headed over to this section, we can find the item that we are returning and select view return details option. After that, we can select, all the necessary details, your package type and everything. After that, click on the option called print the label, this one right here, after you've filled out this form and everything. And you can just go over and attach the label to the package. And while doing so, pack the item very securely, attach the printed label to the package and drop it off at the shopping carrier listed on the label. And the seller must approve the return before a label becomes available. Sometimes the label is emailed to you as well. And that's it. That is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.